stop during treatments in the impacted areas. But this is always reactive. What we propose is integration with weather forecasting systems to proactively know, the impacted areas and stop during treatments in those, those areas. Going one step ahead, we also recommend reactivation of the services of those customers who are recently barred due to high exposure or due to delinquency. Okay, this kind of creates a massive impact or a good collections experience to your customers. So create devotion to pay, create affection, make customers fall in love with your brand. The customers will definitely pay on time. The next point which I would like to share is create conviction for payment. Okay, building a social bond with your customers. Segmenting your customers based on age on network or average revenue, or based on customer segments like mass market or VIP, elite. These all segmentations we have been doing and implementing our dunning strategies for these segments. That's all fine. We have been doing this since ages. But how many telecom operators further segment their customers into, senior citizens, school, college going students, or physically challenged, out of job or met with a tragic event at home? How many of us waive, suppress, or delay dunning treatments on such segments of customers? Being informed, being socially aware, creating bond with your customers, and the customers will definitely be on time. In fact, customers are proud to be associated with such a socially sensitive organizations. Create loyal customers. We all know loyalty pays, right? So are we unsure if our customers are loyal? Do we fear of your customers migrating to other competitors? Are we concerned with high cost of collections or increasing churn? So create loyal customers. Delight your customers with introducing loyalty programs like discounts for on-time payments, further discounts for advance payments, free usages, top-ups, monthly or quarterly lucky draws for consistent or high usage customers. Remember to create stories for your customers, opportunity for them to talk about your brand. I've been a good customer with my service provider for almost 7 years now, but am I loyal? Will I migrate to another service provider if I'm getting better services or getting better services or cheaper rates? With number portability, definitely yes. But if I'm being pampered or if my service provider attempts to pamper me on a time-to-time basis, I will definitely not leave their service. If you all agree, maintaining existing customers is far cheaper than getting new customers, so let's indulge in such loyalty programs. You are not only retaining your customers, but you are also creating loyal customers. Create trustworthiness, being honest, that's the best policy as we all know. Is your customer informed, especially while in roaming? Is he aware of his credit exposure, the credit balance, the payment amount? Majority of the collections cases are those where there is willingness to pay, but there is no ability to pay. The incompetence to pay in most of the cases is where they are not aware. They are not aware of how much they are going to pay, what is the bill amount, and so on. So imagine you are in a foreign location stranded and you are not able to call. You're not able to call because your outgoing services are interrupted due to high exposure. It can be terrible. Now, keeping customers informed, through integration with your billing system or with CBRs, near real-time exposure monitoring, and keeping them informed with two-way SMSs, where a customer can decide whether he wants to use your service based on his payment capability. So this helps in providing comfort and maintaining a healthy relation and a stress-free usage of your service. Using emotional intelligence. Know your customers' pain, share your feelings, and guide them for payment. How many of us treat debt collections as a function of customer service? We are in an industry where customer experience matters a lot. Unfortunately, the customer's experience is worst impacted whilst in collections, especially when there are complaints or disputes. Collections executives' aggressive calling, for payment impacts the already built relationship. So if we all believe customer experience is not just a design or a framework, but it's a delivery and immediate action item, we have to train our collectors on a continuous basis for what we can say positive communications. So imagine a solution that captures the emotions of your customers. So it captures the emotions, guides your collectors on what to speak, what actions to be performed. Even, there are like scenarios like disputes or complaints. A tool which is combined with a powerful rule and an emotion capture engine. Your customers or your executives will never go wrong. Also, your investments on customer experience will always remain rewarded. So a quick recap: a proactive emergency and exclusion management system for creating devoted customers. Create customer-centric and personalized segmentation, keeping your customers connected to your network. Track usage, payment pattern, behavior, and introduce loyalty programs. Near real-time exposure monitoring, building trust and reducing your delinquency. Customer sensitivity, emotion capture, and rule-based help engine, acquiring rewarding returns on your ongoing customer experience investments. So, ladies and gentlemen, introducing to you Indus Credit Management and Revenue Collection System, an intelligent solution with a passionate heart. Thank you.
Let's see now. Sorry for